Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So yesterday I was in a funeral and I couldn't post any video. And I never, it's been a very long time. I have not attended any wedding or birthday parties or housewarming events. But I make sure I attend every funeral. That's because it reminds me that that is the final destination, and whatever we are seeing or whatever we are experiencing is just temporary, right? No matter how rich you are, no matter how big car you drive, no matter where your house is, at last it is 6 by 3 only, right? Now why am I saying this is because just yesterday I didn't post video and many people started commenting in my yesterday's video and day before yesterday's video, what you have you told to short the market, now it is going up and you are hiding that thing, you are making losses, all kind of crap they are coming and throwing, nonsense they are coming and throwing. Now if you see yesterday's price action, 17,500 to 17,700, just 200 points it has come and people started jumping. And one joker is saying, I am feeling petty about your followers who follow you. You told to short the market and it is going on the higher side. 200 points only it has moved. Then he started jumping. You know how much our mentees who follow us in mentorship program made? They made more than 4% this month, right? And even me, I also made 4%, more than 4% this month. This month ended in green. Last month also ended in green. That's because we took a contra view, right? I've already told you, don't go long in the market, short the market. This is excellent shorting opportunity. And we have been carrying short for almost maybe more than 1 week, right? I've been telling for last 1 week, short the market. Just because 200 points it has gone up, it has fallen more than 500, 600 points. From 18,000, almost 18,000, it has come to 17,320 and all. There is a 700 points move. 200 points reversal, people think it is going to be long. This is how amateurs and beginners or these people are corona batch, Those who have come into the market when the corona issue, these people talk like this only, right? Anyway, looking at the markets, as I told you, you should be short in the market. Still I am saying, if there is any bounce back, go and short the market. Maybe sell 18,000, 18,100, 18,200, 18,300. Premiums are really super good. I think India VIX is around 20. You will get super excellent premium. Go and short the market, 18,000. And of course, don't sell naked call option. You have to hedge it. And there is a strong disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility, right? The logic is very simple. You sell call options when the India VIX is high, particularly it's around 20. In case the market goes up, in case it is reversing, India VIX will drop, still you will be able to manage, or still you will come out of maybe small loss or maybe even small profit, because when the market goes up, India VIX drops, right? And markets are really insane, right? There is no sanity and all. Sanity, napkin, nothing is there, okay? All you have to do is, this is the new normal now. Markets are super volatile. Yesterday, looking at the price action, today's price action, I can see that today alone, Nifty has fallen more than 300 points, I think. 300 points, almost 300 points. High was around 17,725 and it came all the way down to maybe below 17,500. But the good thing today is it closed below 17,500 and hopefully tomorrow it will gap down and maximum it will go to 17,350. That is the low which was made on 23rd. Then maybe it will retrace or maybe it will try to do something or other. But in case if it goes on the higher side, short the market. That is what you have to do. And Bank Nifty is much worse. High was around 39,500 levels. From 39,500, the low is around 38,800. More than 700 points drop in Bank Nifty, right? All thanks to US futures. US futures were higher morning. When our market opened, it was up by 100, not 150 points. Then it was up by 100 points. Then it was up by 200 points. This 200 points, right? When it was up by 200 points, everyone started to go long in the market. This is the behavior of retail traders. You shouldn't be thinking as a retail trader. Look at this point around 11:30. US futures were going higher. Like if I want to say an example, Dow Jones started moving more than 100, 200 points, right? It was 100, after 11:30 it went up more than 100, 200, 250 points. At one point it was more than 250 points. Futures, I am talking about Dow futures. Then immediately everyone went long in the market. I waited. Still I had short position. Today morning also, looking at around 11:30, before 11:30, before this candle, seeing this candle, I sold 17,900 call option. Then once the market reversed and went all the way to 17,727, I didn't panic. I was just waiting, and immediately after maybe 1 o'clock, after maybe Europe opened, we saw a steep fall and every stop loss was hit. I was seeing 17,700 put rating, aggressive put rating, maybe 1 crore 80 lakhs, I think 1.8 million, right? Not 1.8 million, sorry, more than 10 million, I think, 10.18 million. Yeah, 18 million contracts, open interest at 17,700 put option. You imagine what would have happened to those people. Everyone would have gone for cover, right? And that steered the market on the downside. And if you see the social media, everyone is in loss. And famous Twitter people, you see, go and see the Twitter, everywhere it is red only, right? So this is how the market behaves. There is nothing we can do about this, and I hope we should live with this. Let us see how things pan out. Yesterday also, day before yesterday also, I told every rise in the market, or even if the market rises, I will short the market, and it has proved that this is a market to be going short, right? So remember this, whenever the market rises, don't panic, short the market, right? I am seeing somewhere 16,800 or 17,000 levels. Maybe there will be some retracement around 17,000 level. If at all it comes back, maybe 17,500. Tomorrow we will have to see. Tomorrow what happens? Maybe if it is sustaining above 17,500, or tomorrow it is taking 17,500, we don't know. If at all it gaps down below 17,500, it will try to sustain above, it will go up and try to sustain above 17,500. But if that doesn't stand, maybe we will go to 17,300 levels. As I told you, that is the low of 23rd August, right? So I hope nothing much. Let us see one more time if FII data has come. I'm sure they would have sold, because that is how these buggers react, right? They manipulate the market, do all kind of things. I think, yeah, FII data has not yet come, and US market is slowly drifting to red. Just 5 minutes back, I saw it was around 85. Now it is around just 66 points. Yeah, this is just 66 points. And tomorrow, US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will come out and talk about US federal rate increase. Now I heard some rumors that US Federal Reserve may go for interest rate hike up to 75 basis point. So that could be one reason why the market was falling, right? So let's see, tomorrow 6 p.m. India time, I think 6 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. I don't know. Yeah, maybe around 6 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. I'll show you, I'll tell you, maybe I'll put it in the Telegram group. So he's going to deliver a speech, or he's going to talk about interest rate hike in Jackson Hole Economic Symposium in Kansas City. So I don't know what he is going to say. If he says that there is going to be a 75 basis point interest rate hike, then it is going to create problem in the already troubled market, right? So I hope I have summarized everything. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.